Ram Ram. This is Kanak Dhara Yantra, and Kanak Dhara is a powerful form of Mahalakshmi. There is a story behind Kanak Dhara that one day Adi Shankaracharya was going to see, he was seeking for the bhiksha, so he went a small hut. That was the old lady, she was Brahmin. So Adi Shankaracharya went for the bhiksha, and when he says Bhiksham Dehi, that time a old lady opened the door and she start crying because she said, I had nothing to eat and I had not eaten since 3 days, and my husband is not well, so I could not go out or something, and I'm feeling very bad, so let me check in the kitchen or something. If I have something to give you, I don't want to let you go empty hands. When she went inside, she have a tree of this gooseberry, so she found a amla, one gooseberry. She bring that and gave to the boy, a 7-year-old boy, Shankaracharya, and she said, I have only this, so please forgive me, I have nothing else. Shankaracharya felt very bad that she is hungry and she gave me, and Shankaracharya started praying Mahalakshmi, and Mahalakshmi said, I can't do anything for this lady because this is her karma, so she have to suffer. But Shankaracharya felt very bad. He was 7-year-old, and he started chanting a Kanakdhara Satotram, which he wrote this Satotram and he started chanting. Then Mahalakshmi became very happy, and in the night time she turned that tree into the gold, and the all gooseberry became the golden. Next day when the lady woke up, she found everywhere is gold, lot of gooseberries are there and they all of gold, and her husband was also became healthy. So this is very powerful Satotram of the form of Mahalakshmi, Kanakdhara. And in Kerala, they built a big temple of Kanakdhara where this hut was lying, the old lady's house. So the Kanak means gold and Dhara means the flow. So this yantra, this mantra, this satotram give us good health and lots of wealth. So now you listen the Satotram of Kanakdhara.
Vande Vandaru Mandaramindira Kandalam Amandananda Sandoha Banduram Sindurananam Angam Harehe Pulaka Bhushanamastrayanti Brunganganeva Mukulabaranam Tamalam Angikruta Kila Vibhutirapangaleela Mangalyadastu mama mangala devatayaha Mudda muhirvidadati vadane murarehe Prematrapa pranihitani gatagatani Maladrusor madhukariva mahotpaleya Same sriyam disatu sagara sambhavayaha Visvamarendra pada vibramadana dasha Ananda heturadikam muravidvishopi Ishan nishidatu mayichanamichanadda Indivarodara sahodaram indirayaha Amilitashamadigamya muda mukunda Ananda kanda manimesha mananga tantram करस्थितकनीनिकपुष्पनेत्रं भूचै भवन्मम भुजङ्गशयाङ्गनायाः बाह्वन्तरे मधुजितहसृतकौस्तुभेया हारावलीव हरिनीलमयी विभाति कामप्रदा भगवतोऽपि कटाक्षमाला कल्याणमावहतु मे कमलालयायाः कालाम्बुदाळिललितो रसिकैटभारे धाराधरे स्फुरति या तटिदङ्गने वा मातुः समस्तजगतां महनीयमूर्तिः भद्राणि मे दिशतु भार्गवनन्दनायाः प्राप्तं पदं प्रथमतः खलु यत्र भावा माङ्गल्यवाजि मधुमाधिनी मन्मदेन मय्यापते तदिह मन्दरमीषणाब्दं मन्दालसञ्चमकरालय कन्यकायाः दज्जादयानुपवनो द्रविणाम्बुधारा अस्मिन् किञ्चन विहङ्गसिसौ विषण्णौ दुष्कर्मघर्ममपनीय चिराय दूरं नारायणी प्रणयिनी नयनाम्बुवाः इष्टाविशिष्टमतयोऽपि यया दयाद्रा दृष्ट्या त्रिविष्टप्रपदं सुलभं लभन्ते दृष्टिप्रहृष्टकमलोदरदीप्तिरिष्टां पुष्टिं कृषिष्ट मम पुष्करविष्टरायाः गीर्गेवतेति गरुडध्वजसुन्दरीति शाकम्भरीति शशिशेखरवल्लभेति सृष्टिस्थितिप्रलयकेलेषु संस्थितायै तस्यै नमोऽस्त्रिभुवनैकगुरोस्तरुण्यै श्रुत्यै नमोऽस्तु शुभकर्मफलप्रसूच्यै रच्यै नमोऽस्तु रमणीयगुणार्णवायै शिक्ष्यै नमोऽस्तु शतपत्रनिकेतनायै पुष्यै नमोऽस्तु पुरुषोत्तमवल्लभायै नमोऽस्तु नाळीकनिभाननायै नमोऽस्तु दुग्धोदधिजन्मभूम्यै नमोऽस्तु सोमामृतसोदरायै नमोऽस्तु नारायणवल्लभायै नमोऽस्तु हेमाम्बुजपीठिकायै नमोऽस्तु भूमण्डलनायिकायै नमोऽस्तु देवादिदयापरायै नमोऽस्तु सार्गायुधवल्लभायै नमोऽस्तु देव्यै भृगुनन्दनायै नमोऽस्तु विष्णोरुरसिस्थितायै नमोऽस्तु लक्ष्मी कमलालयायै नमोऽस्तु दामोदरवल्लभायै नमोऽस्तु काञ्चे कमलेशनायै नमोऽस्तु भूच्यै भुवनप्रसूच्यै नमोऽस्तु देवादिभिरर्चितायै नमोऽस्तु नन्दात्मजवल्लभायै सम्पत्कराणि सकलेन्द्रियनन्दनानि साम्राज्यदानविभवानि सरोरुहाक्षी त्वन्द्वन्दनानि दुरिताहरणोज्झतानि मामेव मातारनि संकलयन्तु मान्ये यत्कटाक्षसमुपासना विधिः सेवकस्य सकलार्धसम्पदः सन्तनोति वचनाङ्गमानसै त्वां मुरारिहृदयेश्वरीं भजे सरसिजनयने सरोजहस्ते धवलतराङ्कुशगन्धमाल्यशोभे भगवती हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे त्रिभुवनभूतिकरी प्रसीद मह्यम् दिग्हस्तिभिः कनककुम्भमुखावसृष्टा स्वर्वाहिनी विमलचारुजलप्लुताङ्गीं प्रातर्नमामि जगतां जननीमशेषा लोकादिनादगृहिणीममृताब्धिपुत्रीं कमले कमलाशवल्लभे त्वं करुणापूरतरङ्गितैरपाङ्गैः अवलोकय मामकिञ्चनानां प्रथमं पात्रमकृत्रिमं दयायाः बिल्वाटवीमज्जलसरोजे सहस्रपत्रे सुखसन्निविष्टाम् अष्टापदाम्बोरुहपाणिपद्मां सुवर्णवर्णां प्रणमामि लक्ष्मीं कमलासना पाणिना ललाटे लिखितमक्षरपङ्क्तिमश्च परिमार्जय मातरङ्घ्रिणाते धनिकद्वारनिवासदुःखदोद्रीम् अम्बोरुहं जन्मगृहं भवत्याः वक्षस्थलं भर्तृगृहं मुरारेः कारुण्यतः कल्पय पद्मवासे लीलागृहं मे हृदयारविन्दम् स्तुवन्ति ये स्तुतिभिरमीभिरन्वहं त्रयीमयं त्रिभुवनमातरं रमां गुणादिका गुरुतरभाग्यभाजिन्यो भवन्ति ते भुवि बुधभाविताश्रयाः। इति श्री शंकराचार्यकृत श्री कनकधारा स्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम्।